Hello everybody. Today I'm going to tell you what my son does when I ask him to pick up a book and study or do your homework or come I'll teach you. So he would immediately say ki Mama potty aayi hai. Mama, I'm tired, I'm sleepy, let's go to play, I'm very hungry. So he has all the excuses for not studying. So then I realized that probably he's feeling the book learning is boring. So I have to find out something which is interesting, which is innovative, and where I do not have to use the word study. So I found an interesting solution, which is the digital learning platform, that is Creta Class. So my maths is actually at a rescue. I have no troubles at all because the fun videos are amazing to watch. He learns the concepts all by himself.
Teach me? Watch this. We know that 5 plus 1 is 6. How many do we have here? 5 plus 2.
So the 5 things which are sorted for me. Number 1, learning. Number 2, exercises, because they have inbuilt exercises. They solve and learn, solve and learn.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
So where is 7?
He does.
Then do it.
I really like the stars.
Really? Number 3, they give you cute little stars, which is super happening and satisfying. Number 4, feedback sessions, which tells me that this is where he needs more practice. And number 5, no storage required. So because the phone or laptop or tab goes everywhere wherever we're going, so you can practice it anywhere, everywhere without practical storage. So for me, I have a strong recommendation for the Creta class because my son is certainly enjoying a lot and I do not have to run after him for doing the class. Rather, he's running after me to give me the class. That Mama, I want to do it again. So it makes me feel so satisfied that practically he's learning all the maths concepts without the hassle of me running behind him. So thank you Creta Class for such an amazing tool. I and my kiddo absolutely loved it.